Sometimes it's desirable to have a secondary axis. For example, on the left-hand side we have the value, which is our vertical value axis. And this is our primary vertical value axis. But sometimes I want to create on the far right-hand side a secondary vertical axis. For example, both of these series are currently being plotted against the primary vertical axis. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to plot the line, which is 2012, against the secondary vertical axis. To do this, right-click the line or the series that you want to send to the secondary axis, and then go into Format Data Series. Here you'll be able to choose Secondary Axis, and as soon as I click Secondary Axis, I can see that the secondary vertical axis has been created on my chart. So I'll click Close. If I click on this bar and right-click and choose Format Data Series, this particular series is plotted against the primary axis. If I close, right-click the line and go into Format Data Series, this particular series is against the secondary axis, and close.